Sometimes I wonder how magical your voice can be, 'cause every note that you sing brings the joy to my life. I can never take my eyes off how you graciously move, as if the stage is merely canvas to your painting. You conceal the sadness you're feeling with your smile, enduring the pain which been there for a while. You reassure everything's alright, shine brighter than existing light, fulfilling your promises. Yeah. Of our shoulders to cry on every night. It's alright.
Yeah, every move and every step, you learn a restless, nicely was worried. Apparent exhaustion is written on your face. You promised us to work hard every day, but the guilt takes over our own heart. Is it right to force? Is it right to demand some more? It's painful to see some bruises as you pull the stunts for the public to see, but all you get is nothing but a new scar. The feeling of letting us down haunting my being. A worst nightmare. We are sorry for being one of the sources of your despair. Although you convince us otherwise. Thank you for loving us sincerely, trusting us with all your heart. We will always be with you. Though you think the world disowns you. Yeah, you'll never walk
you
alone.
Conceal the sadness you're feeling with your smile, enduring the pain which been there for a while. You reassure everything's alright, you shine brighter than existing light.